Welcome, here I've got OPPO Reno4 Pro 5G and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner. By tapping on this button we get access to 4 other buttons we can manage. Now let's focus on this one from the right. When we pick this we can open the advanced camera settings, and here at the third position we have the location option, so it allows us to save the location of our picture. By using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that. This is how it works here. And also the important information is that to make it work correctly when we want to save the actual location of our photo, we have to be connected with the internet, for example the Wi-Fi, and we have to turn on the location of this device. So remember about these two parameters to make it work. Now let me keep turning on all of these settings. Let's go back to the camera to take a picture. And from here let's go to the left corner at the bottom. When we pick this button we get quick access to the gallery, and this is our photo. As you can see in the left corner here we have short information about the city where the picture was taken. To check more details about the location we have to go to the right corner at the bottom to more, and from here let's pick the details. Here at the third position we have the location with the full address. So greetings from Kraków, Poland. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.